So I hope the video kind of showed you the importance of quality care and efficiency in healthcare industries. And if you want to watch longer videos of this, there are so many videos on YouTube on the waiting room, and they're 2 hour long videos. I just decided to do a short one for my presentation. Yeah, so doing my research, I found different potential evidence-based solutions that could help improve quality care and efficiency in healthcare industries. One of which is reconfiguration of services. So for instance, there's a growing number of new services for treatment of chronic diseases, and this aspect is enabled through organizational expertise and leadership mechanisms. Changing or increasing the funding mechanisms in healthcare institutions. The financial aspect of the healthcare delivery is often associated with the increased quality of healthcare services and growing efficiency of the healthcare processes and operations. For the third option would be to, increase an aspect of accountability, make doctors more accountable to their actions, accountable to the quality they give to patients, and the efficiency that's going on, and also to, not just doctors specifically, but every member of the healthcare institution. Also, I found that conducting regular benefit evaluation of healthcare services could also increase quality of care and efficiency in healthcare processes. And this process can be taken over by the joint community, while the same analysis can also be conducted at the corporate level. An earlier assessment of healthcare services can eliminate or at least minimize additional costs and damages of healthcare services without certain proof of benefit.